Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on cartooning, including my brand new one, Drawing Squiggles and Wiggles. Drawing with Squiggles and Wiggles. A lot of fun. All sorts of ideas for drawing all sorts of things, creatures, animals, and people. So, today I want to show you a character design technique. And it's exaggeration, but not the kind you usually think of. You usually think of exaggeration as doing things bigger, longer, wider, but that's not what exaggeration means. It means more of what it already is. So let's draw a very simple character and exaggerate it. This is going to be a bunny, cute bunny. So we're going to start with a head, and we're going to make it a simple shape, a completely rounded oval, with no definition at all. Now that's already an exaggeration. Nothing is like that in the animal kingdom. Usually you have some kind of sloping or indentation, but we're going to make it completely round. So already we're giving it a style, we're exaggerating it. You may not think of that as exaggeration, but that's what that is. So this way. Now next, we're going to make a small little body, a much smaller body than they would have. So we're taking the idea of exaggeration and we're exaggerating it by making it smaller, not bigger. So that's it right there. That is the body for this character. I'll go over it with a pen, you'll see it in a minute. So here is the center line. We all know about the center line. That's fine, just up and down bisects this in half, keeps this half equal with this half in our minds, like a guideline. But for the eye line, eyes would go in the middle usually, so we're going to exaggerate this by making it very low on the head to make him cute. That's an exaggeration. It's not wider, it's not bigger, it's not longer, it's not shorter, it's just placement. All right, now we'll give this little guy bridge of the nose. That's sort of like our own center line of features. It kind of anchors everything. And then a little tiny little nose here, a little black dot for this little guy. And two little black dots for eyes on either side. Let's give it just a little mouth, a little split lip there, and one buck tooth. Not much exaggeration on this, but not everything has to be exaggerated. A little bit of an eyebrow here. And now, just a couple little fuzzy bits there. We're going to bring the arms here a little, very, very short arms. Again, exaggerating size of the arms. We're going to bring little pads out for the feet like this, and a little bit of toes like this. And now we'll just bring out a thigh area. Bring it in here and bring out a thigh area and put a giant, this one is exaggerated in a big way, a giant fuzzy tail. Now we can, at this point, if you want to break the mold, you can bring this out just a touch, like so. Bring this out just a touch, like that. And now we're going to exaggerate the ears. Not by making them big and tall. Here, let me bring this down a touch, so I have a little room for you. There you go. But by making them just a little bit wiggly. We'll flop this one over. So they're really asymmetrical. They don't look alike at all. The position of the left one and the right one. Like this. And so that's an exaggeration also. I mean, bunny ears don't do that. A little bit of grass right here, some random bits of grass, and a little bit of a chest hair. That's looking good. Now let's see if we can make that look good with a pen, darker pen, and see the whole thing come to life. All right, so I'll start right here on the nose, and then the little eye here, and try to match the other one. Nice and round, oval's fine too. A little eyebrow to make it kind of delicate. We want to keep this and start with a little crease right there on either side of the mouth. It's a split lip, meaning it goes up into the nose. And that is actually true on many animal characters. Not on some, like the horse does not have that. But your dog does, and your cat does, and this guy does. So we're going to bring this out a little bit, fluff it out, a technical term for fluffing it out, I guess. And bring that in. And we'll bring him down here and bring that thigh out. Still, look how small the body is. But that works. See how that works? And we can just have one line represent both legs on the inside, like that. And maybe this is a little bit of the toes. And fluffing this too. Big round shape. The top is round, because we've established that. A little bit of fluff over there, and now those giant ears. And this side too. Make this flop over. So this comes here like this, and this will come right about to the edge. A little bit of grass behind the guy, maybe one or two in front. I want to also add this is a dark enough one, I hope, a little bit of shading just above the bridge of the nose, in between here and the interior of the ears, because we already defined it. And then a little shadow. You'll see how that works. I'll move my hand in a second. Just makes it look like he has weight. That's what a shadow does. It makes it look like he has weight. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed doing it with you. Thanks for joining me today. And please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.